In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paid appointments on Calendly in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to start monetizing your time, whether it's for consultations, lessons, or any other service, Calendly makes this straightforward through seamless integrations. Let's dive in and get you set up. To get started, head over to calendly.com. This is where we'll begin our journey. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Give it a click. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, type it in and hit continue. Now you'll need to enter your password and click continue again. This will take you to the Calendly homepage where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, locate the integrations and apps section. This is where you can connect Calendly with various payment platforms among other tools. We are interested in integrating with Stripe today, so look for the Stripe integration option. When you see it, go ahead and click on Stripe. We're almost there. Next, you'll see an option to connect with Stripe. Click on it and you'll be guided through a series of prompts. These prompts are simple. You'll need to log into your Stripe account, which is fairly straightforward if you already have an account. Follow the instructions and when prompted, authorize the integration between Calendly and Stripe. Authorizing the integration allows Calendly to communicate securely with Stripe to facilitate payments. Once you've completed the connection, return to Calendly. At the top, you'll find an option labeled Event Types. Click on this to see a list of your existing events, or to create a new one. Choose an event for which you'd like to charge a fee. After selecting the event, you'll see a button for more options. Click on that and then navigate to the payment section. Here's where we configure your event for paid appointments. Select the option to get paid by Stripe, highlighting your intent to process payments through this platform. The next step is crucial. Determine and enter the amount you want to charge for this appointment. Consider the value of your time and service as you set this amount. After entering the payment information, double check everything to ensure it's accurate. Finally, to apply all these changes, click on Save Changes. This will ensure that your settings are updated and active. And there you have it, you've successfully set up paid appointments on Calendly using Stripe. Now, whenever someone books this event, they will be required to make a payment, making your workflow efficient and seamless. Setting up paid appointments is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process while ensuring you're compensated appropriately for your time and expertise. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.